Movies, speeches, and panel discussions focused on different aspects of LGBTQ equality efforts. And Hubbell, Interim Associate Dean for the College of Arts and Sciences at NMSU, helped to organize the event. She says discrimination against LGBTQ individuals could be heightened when they are also part of other minority groups.
Everything we have heard and experienced in this symposium is about how people of color, particularly trans women of color, are very discriminated against. Their lives are often at jeopardy. We've had an American Indian speaker. We've had a movie talk about this, the death of a Navajo young man in northern New Mexico, and the experiences of fearing for their lives every day.
Southern New Mexico Field Coordinator for Equality New Mexico, Mayra Llarenas, says there isn't many cases of discrimination locally, but they are working to make sure the rights of LGBTQ individuals aren't infringed upon, and to make sure that students feel safe in school.
Continuing to monitor attacks and the folks who are trying to work against unraveling those protections, as well as working in the schools to provide and policy models and implementation directions in creating and fostering safe schools for all students, especially marginalized students.
Vicki Gaubecka, director of the Regional Center for Border Rights at ACLU New Mexico, says they are seeing discrimination of LGBTQ individuals trying to enter the United States.
Under U.S. law and international human rights obligations, border officials should be asking individuals whether they're afraid to return home. And if they are afraid to go home, then that automatically triggers a process by which the U.S. government can determine whether they're qualified for asylum. So what we're seeing a lot of times, though, is that border enforcement officials aren't doing that.
Gaubecka says Border Patrol and other law enforcement agencies need more training on how to interact with LGBTQ individuals. For KRWG, I'm Samantha Sonner.